Is there a perfect murder? Well, we get the answer when the ghost of the past come back to haunt George Kuti. Hi guys, this is Pankaj Bhir and you're watching me on Reviews Unplugged, where you get the real insight. Mohanlal starrer Drishyam 2 The Resumption is currently available on Amazon Prime. With only available language is Malayalam with English subtitles. Hopefully, Amazon Prime will come up with Hindi and English audio as well. The story of George Kuti picks up from the events of the first film, from where the family went through a trauma and somehow were able to pull off a perfect murder. Drishyam 2 starts where all the events end 6 years ago. George Kuti, a cable TV operator, outsmarted a police investigation of Varun Prabhakar, her daughter's classmate, who got accidentally killed by her during an attempt to sexually assault her. Drishyam 2 takes off after 6 years, where it all ends. Well, it seems like. George Kuti is now a theatre owner. His elder daughter Anju is still trying to recover from her traumatic past. His younger daughter Anu, who is now become a slightly rebellious teenager. The entire family, more so his wife Rani, living their daily life with one eye behind their back as the fear of police catching on always deepens. George Kutti's newfound property has become a reason of jealousy among the local people. However, in the first part, Drishyam, where he has got an unstinting support from the locals, now they have turned their back and started thinking that George Kutti has actually committed a crime. Director Jeethu Joseph has taken things pretty slowly in first half, which was a borderline boring in Drishyam as well. There is a lot of conservative family talks, drama, accompanied by loud, over-dramatic background music. There is an interesting interval twist, which not many would see coming. The script, which worship the intelligence of a protagonist, is a liability. Even when we are reminded of everydayness of George Kuti, there is an aura surrounds him, which tells us that he has foreseen and made arrangements for any eventualities. Now that's a problem which any sequel to such a film will face. Coming to 5 pointers: cast, plot, direction, voiceover and Reviews Unplugged rating. Starting with the cast, the main lead character played in this film was Mohanlal, who played the character of George Kuti, Meena, who has played the character of a doting wife of George Kuti as Rani, Ansiba and Asthar Anil, who has played the character of their daughters, and the most important character of this film is Murli Gopi's character of a witty, doting IPS officer, Thomas. I've been waiting to see Murli Gopi to do a character like this. Thomas is not a character who has been frequently showed up in this movie. Aside brilliantly back to form Mohanlal, it's mesmerizingly Murli. He exactly speaks in the film as he speaks in the real life. Succeed in gaining our attention right from the right entry point where he makes in the film, moves in the film, sustaining enthusiasm up to the finale, making you notice about his performance, the presence of a big superstar in the same film is no easy feat. Mohanlal is convincing, protective and caring father role. We miss those realistic facial expression and dialogue delivery. Meena, the character played by Rani, perfect, is in a typical caring mother. It's a plus for audience that the original star cast has been retained for the sequel as well. Ansiba and Asthar Anil's character of George Kutti's daughter Anju has to do less here as compared to Drishyam. They are pretty effective. They are effective in their Coming to the plot, talking much about the plot and the quality of the plot, act as a spoiler. honestly speaking.
In a nutshell, I would like to say
that
later,
George Clooney
and his
George
family
faced the repercussion
for a murder. They had gotten murder
and gotten
settled
it
and
as a
settled
perfect crime.
it
As a perfect crime.
Coming to the direction.
G2 Joseph's
crime thriller starring
Geeta
Mohanlal,
Asha Sarath and
Geeta
Murali
Asha
Devi
Sarath
was so
and Murali
well
Devi
rounded
was so
in
well
writing
rounded
and execution
in writing
of its
and execution
murder
of its
to subsequent
cover-up
story
subsequent
that
cover-up
it was
story
that it was remade in
Tamil,
Hindi,
Telugu,
and Kannada.
Telugu and Kannada.
Now this time also Drishyam 2
in
Drishyam
Joseph has not left any stone unturned
to give you a crippling drama.
Coming to the what's for segment.
There is no wow moment as such. Because in the first half it seems like it's a family drama.
Plots
and turns
got
unfolded
at the end of the movie.
So it makes you stay
throughout the movie and makes you entertain performance by their star cast.
I would like to say
that's why
the entire movie is a wow.
The entire movie is a wow.
Coming to Reviews Unplugged rating.
Absolutely 5 out of 5. 5
Because
out of 5.
Nowhere else
where I can
snatch out any points in this film. Seems to be dragged at some point of time.
How it prioritizes attention to details has to be appreciated.
G2 Joseph
succeed in more than one ways at one point of time.
tightly knitted screenplay,
as complex as
minimal flaws
is no mean feat.
You also wonder
if having
G2
a sequel
is having
in his mind
a sequel
while
in
writing
his mind
while writing
the first installment.
Many thrillers have
succeeded
to impress the audience by intensifying the original plot.
Drishyam 2 is
surprisingly
satisfying
to a
fantastic first installment.
So guys, this is all about from my side
about
Drishyam 2 The Resumption.
I'll be back with some more interesting reviews in coming times.
Please do mention your comments in the comment section.
Subscribe my channel
and hit the bell icon.
You can follow me on Twitter and Insta.
On Twitter ID is
my Twitter ID is @b and my Insta ID is reviews_unplugged.
So stay fit,
stay healthy
and
namaste.